So I'm just going to show you how you can easily add all of your Instagram followings on Threads only in one click. So be sure to watch the full video to don't make any mistake, and don't miss to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So first of all, open Threads and then go to your profile and click over there, right? You can see your followers are following. Switch to following, and here on the top, if you see all, click on that see all, and here in this way you can follow them or by clicking follow all and click on confirm. This you are being followed all your users which you want to follow.